issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma until 12:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:02 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 2 to 3 inches in 1 hour. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. The following impacts are expected: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include northeastern Oklahoma City, Edmond, Choctaw, Spencer, Jones, Luther, Arcadia, Forest Park, Lake Aluma, and downtown Edmond. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 133 and 146. Interstate 44 between mile markers 129 and 151. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Interstate 44 between mile markers 129 and 151. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.